welcome back to Vanity Wagon's latest video. Today we are here with a super fun challenge, which is the blindfold makeup challenge. Who's getting blindfolded? Me. Who's getting clowned? Me. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So I have shortlisted some of my favorite clean makeup beauty products. Kinjal, are you ready?
Yes, absolutely. Are you sure? Okay. I should be asking you.
Well, I am super pumped up to see how well you are at it.
Okay, I can't see anything, so you'll have to guide me.
Kinjal, so I've placed the products here. You can feel them and just let's see how well you know all the Vanity Wagon products.
I can't guess anything. They all look so similar.
Okay.
Anyway,
So let's get started.
yes, please. You'll have to help me, otherwise
Sure.
you're only getting clowned. Is this the first product that goes on your
Perfect.
face?
This is the primer actually.
Okay, perfect. I hope you have no plans for tonight.
Oh my god. I hope you'll get me ready properly, you know. You'll help me.
Yes, absolutely.
Just blend it, Kinjal. Just do it.
Is it prepped well?
Well, we'll see. So next up, we are done with the primer.
Okay. Next, I'm gonna pick a foundation or a concealer, whatever comes.
Yeah, please.
Is this the perfect?
Wow.
I hope you picked your shades well.
Yep.
Have you placed a blender as well?
Can you feel it? It's here.
Okay, got it. So I'm just gonna put this on your face and then probably blend it. Where is your face? Please keep a bit of handy money, I'm telling you.
Concealer below the eyes.
Where are your eyes? Okay, got that. Do you feel that is enough?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay.
Oh, you're poking my eyes.
I think you should close your eyes. Do you feel it's blended? Okay. Now,
I think.
you want to have a look at your face?
Okay, let's keep it a surprise.
Okay, then I think we're done with the concealer.
Perfect. Okay.
Okay, now that whatever I've applied, concealer or foundation, I don't know. Do we have anything to fix it up or like just set it up?
Yes, there is a setting powder over here somewhere.
I think this is the shape of the setting powder.
Perfect. See, you know
Please
your
help
makeup
me, I don't
well.
want to spill on my side.
It's okay.
All safe?
Can there is some.
Okay, we have the applicator here, nice.
Please,
Please, what?
you're just applying too much, I guess.
Okay. You can't tell me these things.
Fine. Yeah, you're good at makeup. You can do it yourself.
Okay, where's your face? Got it. Close your eyes. I'll blend this with a brush, don't worry.
I hope. Yeah, I think that's cool. That's okay.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Okay,
Please
now.
help yourself with the brush.
Hmm.
I think you're doing great, Kinjal.
I'm hoping the same. I think it blended well now.
Is it though?
I'll just do it on your. Do we have anything for the eyes?
No,
or
I did not pick. I did not especially pick for the eyes because I know your hand is like this while you're applying.
Alright.
Yeah.
I think
My
it's
hair
good
is
enough.
covered with setting powder, but that's cool.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, what is next?
Next up,
Something for the eyes. Yeah, I need to apply something on your eye. This feels like an eye product.
this is a multi-shade.
Okay,
stick.
great. Then we can use it on your eyes. Are you ready
No.
for the magic?
No. Oh my god. It is not my.
Okay. Do you think that
Little
is
lower.
enough? A little lower.
No, that's cool, I guess.
Okay, then the next eye. Okay. That sound doesn't sound very interesting. I think this is okay. Now I just blend it out with my fingers once I find it.
Just, I think you need to blend a little more, you know,
On the right eye.
on both eyes.
Okay. What shade is this? Red, pink, purple, or black?
Yeah, it's actually, I wanted to go for the smoky look, you know.
With the blindfold?
Right. The key to the right makeup is blend, Kinjal. Just blend.
I think now it's fine. Of course, even you can't see it, but I feel it's fine. Okay. That is it that we have for the eyes.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, what
these,
is?
these are my two favorite cheek tints. So let's
Which
see whichever
one?
one you pick.
Okay, I've picked up both. Okay, I think I'm going to do this.
Nice choice.
Nice choice. Do you want an extra
No,
tint?
no, no. I'd like to go with the mood makeup.
And
Please
yeah.
find my cheeks first.
Cheeks on the apples.
Wow, my hair is getting covered in the cheek tint.
Can I add this on your eyes too?
No, please. I think you're done for the eyes.
You should have kept a kajal or a liner or something. Okay, where is another cheek? Got it. I feel like adding more.
Just, I would say go with your gut.
Then I'm definitely doing it. I had a little bit on your nose also.
Yeah?
Are you having fun? Because I am.
I'm never doing this before.
We have to serve with a lot of challenges now.
That's it, I think you're done, you know?
No,
Oh my
I want to do it
God,
on the
no.
nose. I'm blending it well, so the
Yeah.
outcome should be good.
You'll be surprised with the outcome.
I'm sure.
By either how good or how bad you are.
Okay, this is also done. Now, what else?
The last step
Hmm.
would be lips. You have to figure out their
That should be interesting.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, found it. What shade do we have here? Orange.
If you
red.
know me well, you know I like what shades do I like better?
Then it's nude. That's no fun. You should have picked up something bright.
Really?
Yeah. Okay. Now what? How are you keeping your lips? Like a smile or a pout?
No, I'm just keeping it closed. So,
Acha,
yeah.
Yeah, you can't tell me. I have to guess.
Fine, fine. So you have to just.
Okay. Okay. Ready?
Wow, you applied on my teeth as well.
So I told you. Okay.
the lower lip.
Okay, thanks. Close your mouth. Okay. I think it's done now. I can't find your upper lip and your lower lip. Okay. Again. Anything else that I'm left with?
No, that's it.
That's it. So can I open and see my magic that I've done on your face?
Sure. I'll just help you with that.
Thanks.
Even though I should be able to see myself.
Okay, I've done a good job.
Really? Have you though? Have you?
Show me, show me.
If you call this a good job, Kinjal,
With the blindfold,
you
of course.
really need to learn your basics. Wait.
Just the tint is a little patchy here, but
The
rest
tint
I
is
think-
patchy. There are
Yes,
patches of foundation
yes,
all over.
Yes, yes.
Thank goodness I did not give you anything for my eye makeup.
Oh,
Else
yes.
I would have been all
I would have
over the
loved to
face.
do the mascara though.
Yeah. No, we'll do that in the next video, right?
Sure.
I'll be doing your makeup,
Done.
especially the eyes.
Done.
Right?
Let's do
So
a
the
blindfold makeup challenge, just the eyes, right?
And you'll be the one who will be getting all clowned up, and I'll do the makeup.
Can't wait.
Yeah. Then we'll see who's good at makeup. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys loved it because we certainly did. Let us know in the comments below what would you like to see next.
And don't forget to like and share this video because we'll come up with more such fun challenges. We are coming up with more such challenges. All these products that I use on Honey are mentioned in the description box below. You can shop them at vanitywagon.in. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.